Hello, I'm Larry Fryer, and welcome to Fortville Feeders. Fortville Feeders is the premier parts handling and feeding system in North America. Fortville Feeders was launched by Michael Krause in 1979, and he started this business in his own garage. We now operate in a 60,000 square foot facility dedicated strictly to parts feeding excellence. Our engineers are expert designers who combine years of parts handling knowledge with the latest technologies. Our toolers are very high-skilled craftsmen specializing in parts feeding systems. We have our own in-house machining and milling capabilities, including CNC milling, EDM drilling, and waterjet direct-to-print cutting. Fortville Feeders is the engineered solution. There was a time where I just kept picking up the phone and people were coming to me stating the fact that they felt as if we were a little bit more established than some of our competition in regards to vibratory feed systems. And they said, and I quote, "You are a little bit more of an engineered type solution." And I kept getting that phone call. At that point, we decided to change our tagline to the engineered solution. We were the first in our industry to purchase a licensed seat on AutoCAD engineering. We also are the first vibratory feeder company to purchase a water jet, and we have an EDM machine. So we really have kind of led the industry as far as our technology is concerned for vibratory feed systems and vibratory feeder companies. We also have a crew of just under 70 employees and a complete staff of mechanical engineers as well as electrical engineers. The most important part of the Fortville Feeder system is the handoff from the discharge end of our track to you, the customer. So the parts feeding is just fine for us, but it's that transition from us to you that's most critical. And our competition would often quote a vibratory feeder bowl, bulk handling, tracking, dropping parts off the end of the track into a box. Not much to it. Our key importance on our feed system is what happens at the end of that track. What is the handshake between Fortville Feeders and you, the customer? So what is that takes place in that transition? Our goal is to take product from bulk and transition it and hand it off and isolate it so that the customer can do whatever process they need to do.